In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your MacBook Pro for free. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to Google, and in Google we're going to the site mac.getutm.app. The link to this website will be in the video description down below. So we're going to the website and we're going to click on download. Then we're going to open it, and what we're going to do is we're going to drag the UTM into the application. So I already have it, and I'm just gonna click on replace. Then what we're going to do is we're gonna double click on UTM. We're going to open the application, and we're going to click on open. Then we're going to click on create a new virtual machine. We're going to click on virtualize, and we want to install Windows. So we're going to click on Windows. We're going to click on fetch latest Windows installer, and it will bring you to Crystal Fetch, and you need to install that app. I already have the app, so that's why it already opens. Then what we're going to do is we're going to select the language you would like to have, and the edition is Windows 11, and we're going to click on download, and we're going to click on accept. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to call it Windows 11 ISO folder, and we're going to click on create, and then we're going to click on move. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on browse, and we're just gonna open the Windows 11 ISO folder that we just created. We're gonna click on open, and guys, this is the one we just created, the ISO disk image, and there you can see the time, and we're going to click on open. We're going to click on continue, and we're going to change the GPU cores to 4. I'm going to click on continue. This can stay on 64. And for the shared directory, what we're going to do is we're going to select the Windows 11 ISO folder that we just created, and we're going to click on OK, and we're going to click on save. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the black play button. And guys, we didn't press anything. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in exit, and we're going to click on enter. Then we're going to click boot manager, and we're going to select this, and we're going to click again on enter, boom. And right now it's starting up Windows 11. Windows 11 setup. Now this language, just English is fine. Then US keyboard, we're going to click on next. We're going to click on I don't have a product key, and we want to click on next because we want to have Windows 11 home. And we're going to click on accept. Then we're going to select the location, and we're just going to click on next. Is this the right country or region? We're going to say yes. Then is this the right keyboard layout? And we're going to also say yes. Want to add a second keyboard? We're going to say skip. Who's going to use this device? Enter your name. Then password, we can click on next. We can skip that. Then what we need to do is we're going to install the UTM guest tool setup. We're gonna click on next. I'm gonna click on I agree. Then we're gonna click on finish. What we're going to do is we're going to right click, and we're going to click on display settings. Then on display settings, we're gonna change the resolution, and we're going to change it to 1920x280, guys. Boom. And we're gonna click on keep changes. So guys, you have the right resolution. We're gonna click this way, and this is how you install Windows 11 on your MacBook Pro for free.